Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can create a backup in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just simply be in Wrike, and when you're going to be here, you just want to go right top corner to your profile and click settings. When you're going to be in settings, you just want to click again on settings and account management, and then you're going to see quick account backup. And here what you want to do is just simply click create backup. Your data is being frozen. Backup will email you once the backup is ready. Or you can simply create a full account backup. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.